1 glass before bed will be rewarding. Ingredients: garlic, black pepper, cinnamon. Black pepper contains a compound called piperine, which has been shown to have antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties. Cinnamon is known for its antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties. Some studies suggest that cinnamon may have potential benefits for cardiovascular health, including improving blood sugar control, reducing cholesterol levels, and reducing inflammation. Garlic has been used for support arterial health and have mild anti-inflammatory properties. Some studies suggest that garlic may have a positive impact on cholesterol levels and blood pressure, which are risk factors for clogged arteries.